students, hope you are all fine. Whether you all had your food, are you taking the proper food daily? Yes. Okay, so food is very important in our day-to-day life. So today we are going to study the lesson food and digestion. Why do we need food in our daily life? It's okay. So if you are not taking food for one day, what will happen then? We will feel so tired. It's okay. Yes. So we have to take food in a regular interval with all the nutrients. Okay. So we can see the types of nutrients now. What are the types of nutrients? Why we categorize this? So our body needs many nutrients. So to perform all the functions. So that's why they are carbohydrates, fat, proteins, vitamins and minerals, and at last water and roughage. So these nutrients are very essential to our body. The first one is the carbohydrate. So why we have to take carbohydrate? So carbohydrate gives energy to our body. So we call it as energy giving nutrients. So what are the food items that contains the carbohydrates? Mainly rice. Are you taking the rice regularly? Yes, daily we are taking the rice. Okay, it's our major food items in our routine life. So rice containing carbohydrates, potatoes, bananas. So these all food items have more amount of carbohydrates, which gives more amount of energy. The next one is the fat. The fat also giving a little amount of energy to our body. So, but the fat is not good for our health. Too much of anything is good for nothing. If you take more amount of fat containing food items, what will happen then? We will become so fat. Okay. So, we have to avoid the fat containing food items in our food. The third one is the protein. The protein is very essential to our body. The protein. So which food items containing the protein? Are you drinking milk daily? Yes. The milk containing protein. The soya beans. Are you taking soya beans in your food regularly? Yes. Soya beans. So these kind of food items have protein. Why we have to take protein regularly in our body? It's okay. Are you all growing up? Yes. So in a particular interval time, so you are getting a particular height to grow up and being healthy. So we have to take protein in a regular interval. So these are called as, the proteins are called as body building nutrients. Okay. Yes. So not only to build up our body to being healthy, we have to take more amount of protein. The last one is the vitamins and minerals. So vitamins also very essential to our body. So how we can get vitamins? Yes. Are you taking fruits? Are you taking vegetables? Yes. The fruits containing more amount of vitamins. Okay. So they protect our body from the diseases. So that's why we have to take more amount of vitamins in our regular diet. Okay. Yes. So which food items have vitamins? Already I said you all the fruit items. Okay. So these food items have more amount of vitamins. The next one is the minerals. So minerals also very essential for the strength of our body. So whether your bone is very strong? Yes. Whether can you bite all the food items? Yes. Okay. So for the strength of your bone and the growth of your teeth, the calcium and some this kind of minerals are very important. Okay. So which food items have these minerals? Do you know? Are you taking milk? Whether your doctor advised to take milk daily? Yes. Okay. So milk containing calcium. So this is also very essential to your body. Okay. So we have to take all these type of nutrients in your body in a regular routine. Then only we can grow, we can be healthy, we can fight against the diseases. Okay? Yes. So always have proper food items in your food items regularly. Okay? The last one is the water and roughage. Are you drinking water regularly? Yes. Whether drinking water is essential in our life? Definitely. Have to drink minimum 8 to 10 cups of water daily, or else 3 to 4 liters of water you have to drink daily. Okay, so then only our body can expose all the waste in a proper manner. Yes, but like next one is the roughage. What is mean by roughage? So okay, so we are taking carbohydrate containing food items, fat containing food items, protein containing food items, and also the vitamins and minerals. So these can absorb by our body. So okay, some can be left over by our body. So okay na? Yes. So when you eating the raw vegetables and raw fruits, so okay, the undigested food items can be expelled out. Okay, so these are called the roughage. So if you have the roughage in your diet, so okay, you can avoid the constipation. So if you have constipation, it also leads to lot of diseases. So we have to take all these nutrients in our daily diet properly. Okay, yes. So the next one is balanced diet. So what does mean by balanced diet? So balance means in equal amounts. Okay, so already I said you, if you like carbohydrate rich food a lot, or else if you like fat containing a food lot, that is not good for our health. So when you go for oil food items, that is also not good for our health. So we have to take all these nutrients in a right proportion, in a right amount, then only we can be very healthy. So that is called the balanced diet. So will you all take balanced diet in your food regularly? Yes. Okay. So have balanced diet regularly and be very healthy. Thank you.